So let's continue this video from very beginner initial steps. First step would be how to adjust paper size. In order to adjust paper size, press Ctrl on keyboard and scroll wheel. Scroll wheel. Second, to move paper, simply press mouse wheel and move mouse. Something like that. And third, to center the page, simply go here, center page in window. Or you can use zoom to fit the page, zoom to drawing in window, and this one as well. We will explain later on. But if you can remember, I need not this horizontal paper page, but I need vertical. How I can change this? Simply go to edit properties of this document, and here at orientation you need to click this vertical page and close. Let's see what we have. Press Ctrl on keyboard. Now we have the vertical page. And to make multiple pages, here at this Inkscape version, which is 1.2, we have a new feature, how to make multiple pages. Should be here on this tools palette, but sometimes we face an issue here, and how we can fix it. What I found is simply click here and drag, and now you can see all this palette. So we need this create and edit document page. This new tool. Simply press, click, and go to here this small plus and create a new page. 1, here 2, 3, and if we need more, we can multiply as much as you want, but at this time just leave only 3 pages, only 3. The rest 5 and page 4 simply we can delete by pressing delete on keyboard, and we have just only 3 pages, which is good for our lesson. So now let's go further and see what we need more for this lesson. I suppose we need the ruler, we need the grid, and also we need, let's start from go to view, and here you can check page grid. Next, also we should need the ruler. It will be easier to count distances. Click rulers. So now we have rulers. And one more thing, what we need, this toggle snapping on off. This should be toggled, and we need the snaps. So let's make the additional reference lines. Let's make let's say here at this first page we can make, let's say, 3, you see. But for example, if I toggle off the snapping option, I will face a difficulties to exactly snap to the right place. So you see, this line, vertical reference line, is snapped exactly, but this one not exactly. Let's leave this snapping on. And now we can adjust exactly what we need. Let's make more reference lines at this page here, and we need here to at bottom. So now composition almost prepared, but for better composition, suppose let's move this line here. Okay, good. So let's continue our lesson, how to create multiple page PDF file with text. And first of all, I would explain some issues which I faced and would like to share a review. So here at the top, excuse me, can see how I can center this page. For this issue here I have at this right down corner, see not works, but at this arrow I have zoom page. Okay. The next, what I faced, here I had my swatches, but now I have nothing. So what's the problem? If I click here, as you can see, selected auto, but if I deselect Inkscape default, I have my swatches here. So let's see, we need this text to copy and paste to Inkscape. 5 reasons why you can't attract money despite your efforts, according Jim Rohan. Let's select all, click copy, go back to Inkscape, select text tool, and now let's make some adjustments. Let's choose the font. Also we can choose here. I will choose Arial font. For this purpose, choose bold, style, and I will make a little bit bigger. Let's say about 40 or even more. 62. Go to edit and choose paste. So I have my font here. Select again, click and drag here. So now I can make some adjustments. Again to text tool, and if I click and press enter on keyboard, I can manipulate this text. Okay, and here I press backspace on keyboard and here I type according Jim Rohan. Okay, let's select all and make bigger by pressing Ctrl. So now I can move slightly to the left by pressing on arrows on keyboard. Should be okay. Now this one, let's move up a bit. And let's make little bigger as well. Okay. Move to left by pressing arrows on keyboard. Okay. Select this again and move down. Suppose I make here some change. Down arrow and backspace. Let's leave like this. Now I can give some colors. Selected and click this one. So as you can see, I already have my title, and here at the down page I need to type a page number. For this purpose I choose let's see, it's clearly choose this condensed narrow font. Okay, one more time. Choose bigger and type page 1. Seems too small. Let's make it bigger. And align with this lines and put this gray 60% color. Okay. Let's see how it looks like. You can see here, zoom page. Not bad, but page size, I see it's too big. Let's make it smaller. Something like that. Okay. Let's see what's next.